Do you want to learn new things and be inspired to try new crafts with your Cricut? Well, good, because you're in the right place. I'm Alex Vanover, and welcome to my channel, DIY Alex. You'll probably hear a lot about Divine Design crafts in some of my older videos, and that's okay because that used to be my channel name. But I'm still doing amazing Cricut crafts. I'm still the same Alex. I just renamed my channel. I got my Cricut in December of 2016 because I got engaged and I knew that I wanted to DIY my wedding. And while I was engaged and since I've been married, I've learned so many things the Cricut can do. I love to help crafters like you, especially DIY brides, learn to do new things, try new things that look really intricate and expensive, but are usually actually really easy. All levels of crafter are welcome in my craft room. So come hang out in my craft room every week so that you can learn new ideas and inspiration and see what I'm up to on my next live video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button below and hit the bell notification next to subscribe so that you get notified every time I put out a new video or start a live video. I'll see you back in my craft room real soon.